Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Dear students, can you hear me? Am I audible? Please show your thumbs up. Thumbs up with what? Thumbs up with smile. Yes. Okay. So today, students, you all must be thinking what new we are going to do. Last time I took you to picnic. Today we will be learning mirror art, a technique of mirroring, a magic art. Call it as magic art because in this artwork, half drawing we draw and half is drawn automatically without making drawing. Can you think about how this happened? This technique is called mirror art technique. Okay, magic art. Take your paper. Come on, be ready now. Okay, you can sharpen your pencil because today we want lines little sharp. Okay, so you can sharpen your pencil because you want impression. Sharpen it doesn't mean you will make it very pointed, but slightly sharp. Now what? Okay. Every time I always instruct you, I ask you to use blunt pencil, but today we want slightly sharp. Okay. Sharp, it doesn't mean very pointed, okay, but slightly sharp, not very blunt. Yes, 2 or 3 rounds of sharpness are more than enough because today you're going to learn something amazing and very, very helpful. Okay. And this technique in drawing language, we call it mirror. But normal language, I will call it as magic art. Okay. Now take your paper. Yes, all of you. And this paper you will fold carefully from center. Fold it carefully from center and press it nicely. Press it nicely. Yes. See, I took my paper. I just fold it carefully and press it nicely. Then I will open it again. Open it again. Yes. Okay. Now what we are going to do, we will be leaving 5 finger space above and 5 finger space below. Yeah, this is A3 size. I'm using standard A3 size and I'm using my file horizontally, not vertically, okay? In sleeping position. But we are learning some different artwork because now today we will be learning something else. Yes, we are going to learn Devi Durga using this mirror art technique, okay? See, 5 finger, complete 5 finger upwards, 5 finger downwards. Okay? Yes. And this complete line, if I will measure, it is 3, 3, 3. It means 9. Okay? See, 3, 3, and 3. So this is 9 finger measurement. You can take this measurement with scale. Take this measurement with scale. I have taken 3 fingers. So I will divide it without that. 1, 2, and 3 blocks. Okay? Yes, 3 equal blocks. You can take measurement with scale and divide it with 3. So you will get exact measurement. Okay? In maths, you don't know how to divide. Suppose your measurement is 12. You divide it with 3. So you will get 4, 4, 4. Okay? You will find out that how much space you are going to leave. I used fingers as my measurement is 9 finger. So I use my fingers for measurement. Even you can try. Okay? Okay. And for your comfort, I will be making this middle line. This middle line, you can make it light. It will give you idea that where the lines will go. Okay, you can take this line, although we will erase it afterwards. Now say I took 5 fingers measurement above. I took 5 finger measurement downwards, and middle portion, I divide it in equal 3 parts. Okay, take your own time and do it very nicely. Very nicely, okay? Yes. And you can divide it. If you have scale, you can take its measurement and you can divide. Otherwise, you can also use finger. I find finger, measuring it with finger, I find it very comfortable. So I normally use that only, okay? Otherwise, measuring, then dividing. Who will take this much headache?
Please tell again.
Yes, what I did, I'm telling you right from beginning. I took a paper, I fold it half, okay?
Ask Parinita, but send the message only once.
And please send your message once only. Don't say keep sending same message again and again. Okay? See, I just fold my paper this ways, and afterwards I will open 5 finger measurement I took above, 5 finger measurement I took downwards, and remaining middle part I divide in 3 blocks. Okay? Now what you will be doing, these lines I can make slightly small. Okay? This side. Now see students, you will be making your drawing this side, the outer part, not the inner part, outer part. Now what you will be doing, this line already we have center line near this. Near this, you will be making a line. As you are getting complete view of my file, you know that it's not very broad. It's a very thin line you're going to make. Okay, and this is a partition. Here you will be making it, giving it U shape. Okay, here you will be giving it U shape. I will erase these lines. This is a U shape. This was partition. I just draw a line and gave a U shape. Now I will be making a C. Okay, C and this kind of curved shape. Okay, a very small, sharp nose we will be making. Okay, yes. And now from here, do this first. Yes, I can see. All are busy doing. I will wait. Take measurement, make a line, convert it in U. Okay, this is a line, convert it in U. And yeah. From here, you will be making a shape which is going slanting and then straight. Slanting and straight. See, this is going slanting and then straight. Okay. This is a shape going slanting and shape. And same ways, big eyes. Same shape I'm going to make with off eyes. Slanting and straight. Big eyes. Okay. Yes. It is going slanting and straight. And from here, you will be giving a shape of eye. Big eyes. Okay, big eyes. It's looking like a fish-shaped eye. Okay. Make shape of eyes very carefully. Take your own time, no need to hurry. Okay, very carefully, very slowly, you will be making eye. Okay, yes. Make the shape effortsfully perfect. Take 2 points and make a big circle. Okay, of eyes. It's a big circle of eyes. And here, it is going to be third eye. Finish this first. Finish this. Yes, take your own time, but make shape of eye very, very perfect. Okay, very perfect. Yes, very good, very good. Now here, this point which I took now, here I'm going to make third eye. Oh, here, till here. Near eyebrow, I will be making this kind of line. Okay. And a bindi. So for bindi, I will making half bindi. Because half bindi, we will get with magic. We are making just half part of our drawing. And half we are going to get with magic. Yes. Okay. Yes. Now see near eye. Near eye here. You will be taking a point here. Near eye. You can take a point here. Yes. And from here, you will be making a slanting line which will touch your eyebrows. Okay, which will touch your eyebrows and the line will go slanting from here. Okay? Yes. Slowly and slowly, it will start taking shape. And this third eye, we will complete when it will get complete impression. Yes. Now see, this is half, right? Half of this middle, but we will not take on half, above half. Okay, this ways you will be making a shape. This is, see, this is center. I took this middle line slightly above. I'm repeating this bottom pie portion. This is center. I will not take center. I will take above that. Okay. Yes. Draw a curved line. You can make only half because we are going to make it with magic. Take a point above. Take a point above. I will be giving you close-up view. Yes, can we get closer view? Closer view will help you understanding it better. Okay? Yes. Thoda sa aur. Yes, okay. See what I did, this bottom part, this bottom third, this is center. I leave this center and took slightly above, I took a curved line. Above that, I took a point, and here I'm going to draw V. Okay, this is V. Draw V. And this is the last point of V. These are the last points of V. Yes, join these point and this point, join. Join. Okay? Join these 2 points. Okay? And take a point, dash, a straight line below. I'm making my lines quite dark. Okay? Yes. And I have these 2 points of the straight line. 1 point, second point. I will join. Smile of Devi Durga. Okay, join. So finally the shape will be looking like this. Okay, yes. And this is last point where we decide face from here to here. You will be going curved. Give the shape of face. Okay, give the shape of face. Okay, very carefully. See, this is from here I started and joined this V which I made earlier. And I'm doing this only outer part. I'm not making eyes and all here. Okay. Yes. Now a big circle. You can use any object also if you want. Otherwise, you can go for freehand. I will prefer making it freehand. Circle. Draw a circle. Just here. You can use bangle. If you want to use this kind of bangle, it will come perfect. Okay. Perfect circle. I just draw it freehand. Yes. And see, this is the center. If I cut it, so this is the point. From here, yes, draw a circle first. I will go slow because this is a very important shape we are learning. Devi Durga's days are going on, and this will make your work easy. This basic proportion will make your figure perfect. And we are making this third eye, which will be completing after doing mirror. Okay, we will be taking impression of this here. Yes, I will go slow. You can take help of a bangle also and dedicate this drawing to Devi Durga with prayers at the back, because many thousands years back, Devi Durga, you know from where the Devi Durga's birth took place, from how she took birth, how she was born. Do you know story behind this? No? Do you want to listen? Next time, by coloring, I will tell you from where Devi Durga took birth. From where it... eye again, okay. For making eye, I will be showing eye here. See, this is suppose slanting line and this is straight line. If I will make it curved, you will get eye. Okay. See, I'm showing you again. This is slanting line. This is straight line. If I will give curve, it will become upper part. And if I will join, it will become lower part. This ways I made eyes and slanting and straight. And this is only the way of making eyebrows. Okay, eyes and eyebrows we made this ways. I will erase these lines. Okay, and we made a complete circle which is touching upper part, upper points. Okay, we want to show now. I draw a circle. You can use compass. Now from here, I will go up. It's looking like 6. See, it's looking like a big 6. 6. And see, it is intersecting this line of face. Erase this line. Okay, erase this line. And suppose if you want to show wishes to your relatives, you can write your wishes on this drawing because this drawing will come out so beautifully that you yourself will not believe that this is made by you. This is a big 6. And here a small circle. You will be giving a circle shape upwards. Okay, circle shape, I'm not using any object. I'm going for free shape, free hand shape because I'm making jewelry. These are kernful. This kind of big earrings which is covering up the whole ear. Kern, it means ear. And this kind of jewelry is called kernful. Okay. Armlets. Armlets in Hindi we call it baju band. Okay. Pile is called nupur. These are lovely names of jewelry. Yes. Draw a small circle here, big circle here, connect. It's looking like a big 6. And here, C for cat. Come on, give this kind of shape. Okay. Yes. Here. I will remove all dust. I will take one point here. Before stepping on, I just want to have a look how the work is going on. Lift up your files, all of you. I just want to check. Wow, very good. Really doing well. All of you lift up. Many students are least bothered about showing the files. How will I come to know, beta, your proportion is going correct or not? And I just want to get that whatever I'm teaching, my God, you all have done it really well. Wonderful. And see, during these Navdurga, many reputed institutions, organizations, they conduct Navdurga special competitions. Okay. So after learning this, you will be prepared for that. Very beautiful. Okay, now here, this line upwards I have now. See, this is half. I will be coming here half. And here, I will join this line with slanting line. Okay, I will be taking a line slanting. I will be giving complete view of my file. Okay, it will help you understanding that. This ways, I took a point here and draw a line slanting. Okay, yes. Now these 2 points I have, center point. Take a center point. Take a point near this. Okay, and see, you will be coming straight and curve. Join it. And reach the top. Reach top. Okay. I will take a point here. I will take a point in center, reach. And students, this kind of things which are related to festivals, Devi Durga, Nari Shakti, whatnot, please, whenever you find time, you go through recording so that you will get a revision. Very, very important. Revision is very important. Okay. Take eraser and erase this line. Okay. Erase this line. Okay, I will be making one more line. Okay, and these lines I will be making now dark. Okay, all lines after finalizing, make it dark. Move your pencil with lots of pressure. With lots and lots of pressure. Okay, why I want pressure? So that I will get impression backside. If you will observe, I am getting impression backside. And because of this only I used sharp pencil. Okay. Now what I'm doing, I'm just finalizing my lines. See, as lips I have completed, I will not finalize that. I don't want to mirror that. Rest all lines I will make dark. Okay, this basic shape. See, normally for making face, maintaining symmetry is a challenge. But using this technique, we can maintain symmetry very nicely. Okay. 1. I will be writing V. Equal size, geometric shape. Okay, I'm not going for rhythmic and creative designs. As we are going to mirror this work, I want to keep it very, very light. Okay. Circle, 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 circle. Okay, yes. Here I am having, yes, first draw circles. I'm making a very simple design in crown. Okay, that big mukut, Devi Durga wear. Inside, I'm making a small V. Small V. See, design should be very neat. And pressurize your pencil. Okay. Normally, I always say that don't put pressure on your pencil. But today, I'm saying that after finalizing your lines, you will pressurize your pencil. Okay. Yes. A very simple design I made in crown. You can try some other designs also. Okay, and we are going to make it looking more decorative with help of earbuds. Okay, next time while coloring, we will be using earbuds. Because of this, only this complete design of earring, I will not make. I will love to make it with earbuds. Just show a curve. And here also we will be making dots with earbuds. Okay? Yes. Now this bottom line of lips. Okay, from here, you will be coming down. First, complete your crown. Take your own time. Okay?
Okay, so this is हो गया मुझे अभी भी आया है.
I will be making lines little more carefully.
हमने कौन से बैच के लिए किया है?
And one side, after making face, here I will be making nose ring. Okay, but not now, afterwards. Otherwise, it will get, impression will be on both the sides.
तो आप मुझे टाइम स्लॉट और मेंशन कर दीजिए.
Okay?
टाइम स्लॉट कि आपको कौन सा
Yes.
बैच और टाइम स्लॉट चाहिए.
And from here, okay, this ways.
हाँ सर, जूम पे लाइव क्लासेस होती है.
Slanting line, V. Okay? Yes. And everything, the beads and all, we will be making with earbuds. This is a V, see, and this line is coming from this down. Where the lips finish now, from there the line of neck will come. Okay?
फॉर्मेट देखना कि कैसा होता है. आपको क्लास का एक बार फॉर्मेट देखना है ना कि कैसे होती है क्लास.
Okay? Yes. See, the half face of Devi Durga is getting ready. Don't forget to show hair. Hair. Big, long hair. Okay?
उस पर क्लिक करके मैं आपको वो आईडीज दूंगी. वो आईडी आपको टाइप करनी है. पासवर्ड दूंगी.
Show hair.
पासवर्ड डालना है और आपको क्लिक क्लास में लगी हो जाएगी.
Now it's time to make designs. I will be making some geometric designs. Okay, geometric designs will make your work easy.
सर अभी तो हो चुकी है आज की क्लास 5 to 6 वाली जो थी. ओके ठीक है. आप मुझे एक बार व्हाट्सएप कर दीजिए कि हाउ टू जॉइन द क्लास.
Okay, this ways you will be completing. You can make geometric shapes. You can make some other shapes, you know. Anyways. And I'm making designs very blunt because I'm going to make it very decorative and sophisticated with help of earbuds. With earbuds, I will be making it very, very beautiful. Okay? Yes. A big jewelry. I will keep making jewelry this ways. Yes, finish this till end, and all designs we will be making with earbuds. Okay, next class, please keep your earbuds ready. Okay, yes, with watercolors. Now, have you all done this? Devi Durga's face? Make design, and here the designs can be of your choice. If you want to make dots, if you want to make some beautiful shapes, those who are very good, they can try some other designs also. Even in crown, you can try some other designs. Okay, there is no foundation. You will be going for geometric shape. I prefer this because we are going to take mirror. So very complicated design will create unnecessary trouble while tracing it. Okay, so because of this, I made very blunt and non-sophisticated designs. Okay. Yes. Have you all done with? Have you all done with? Very good. It's extremely lovely. Shabash. Now, all of you show, first, before starting, I want to see. All of you show your work. Yes. Lift up. It's so beautifully done. Very good. Very good. And see, Devi Durga's days are going on. And next time, while coloring, I will be telling you stories because I will love to share courageous story of Devi Durga, from where Devi Durga took birth and how she killed challenging devils. Very beautiful work. Very beautiful work. Now what you will be doing? You will fold this paper down like this. Okay, yes. Now you can see the impression. You can see impression. Can you see impression? Hana? This ways you will be you will get impression. You can see impression. Show thumbs up if you can see impression. Yes, see, when I fold my paper, I can see impression. Now what I'm supposed to do, I will be moving my pencil over impression. And make sure you will be moving your pencil exactly on impression. Okay, not here, not there. Your line should, and your pencil will be dark. While taking impression, you will move your pencil dark and your magic will start happening in front. Okay, your drawing will be ready when you will open your page. Make sure your lines, each and every line you're making should be perfectly done. I can see impression. I will be showing you again that how my impressions are looking. Can you see the lines, light lines? As I move my pencil dark, I can see lines. I'm moving my pencil exactly on those lines. Okay. So first I will be making eyes. For making eyes, I will be very, very careful. Huh? Face you will not make in a hurry. Okay, very carefully you will copy eyes. And this technique will help us maintaining symmetry. Okay, nose. See, my nose is not dark from front because of the see. The part which I draw backside, automatically the print is coming this here. I will be making it slightly dark. I will get my nose impression properly backside. Yes. Yes. Now the impression of nose, you can turn your file accordingly. Okay, lips so we have done. So no need to make lips because lips we finish. So we will not take impression. These are lines, these are lines. And I can see, move a pencil darker with pressure. Backside also. Yes. Okay, you can turn your file for your comfort. So that, yes, I'm going round. See that these simple designs are very helpful. Because of this only, I kept my designs very, very simple. And I will be very carefully, I will complete shape of face. Nose, lips I have done. Okay, I have completed lips. Okay, these are hair. I can see each and every curved line nicely because I sharpened my pencil and I just pressurize while making my design after finalizing. I can see each and every line. Okay, in design, suppose something we miss, we can cover it up. Design is very simple. Suppose some impression is we are missing, we can cover it. Okay. See, I'm moving my pencil backside on the impression I got. See, my magic is ready to happen. Now, see, all of you finished? Then we all will look at our magic. Okay, the eyes is left. And a small semicircle of bindi. We'll check bindi. Students, see, my magic has been, see, this is my magic. Okay, you can see complete impression of this side. Can you see face? Yeah, it's light, but I will make it dark. And this ways you will be getting complete shape of your figure. Okay? Yes. Okay, now what I will be doing? Finish it fast and show me your magic. All of you, after doing, open your page and show me your magic. See, my magic is in front of you. Okay, I want to see. कितने बच्चों का मैजिक हुआ? पहले तो thumbs up. Show thumbs up कि how many of you are able to get effect of magic. Wow, good. Very good. It means your technique is going correct. You got magic? Magic happened on your paper? Okay, now finalize the lines. Okay, I will show you. I will bring my file close to your camera, to my camera, and you will be able to see. See, this ways you will get impression. Okay, this ways. So what will happen? This impression will help you getting perfect symmetry, ornamental design, rangoli patterns, and these kind of things you can see. And very soon we are going to have an activity of underwater rangoli. Okay, you all will be able to learn underwater rangoli. And you know what? That rangoli we can prepare quickly, and it is portable. You can just shift it here or there. It is portable. Okay, so this is magic of my file, and I'm going to finalize it. I will finalize it. Okay, and the detailed design we will be making with earbud and watercolors. So coloring we will be doing with, keep your plastic crayons and everything ready. Coloring we will be doing with oil pastels, and decoration of mukut and all we will be doing with earbuds and watercolors. Okay, yes. See the symmetry, amazing symmetry I got using this technique. This actually the name of this technique is mirror technique. Okay, we are getting mirror of it. And here I want to show it as third eye. I will be making eye. Okay, I will show it as eye. Okay, now I will finalize. Face. You will be completing. And don't forget to show a big nose ring. Okay, for that you can either use this kind of big, it is too big. I will be using cap of a water bottle. So I will be showing it on one side. Okay, here. I will be showing it here. So let's finish nose ring also. Okay. You can finish it this ways. I think this is also going big. I will be making it this much small. Okay. This big circle, it is very big. I will drop that and I will be making with free hand this much big circle for completing nose ring. Okay. Show this nut. It is called nut. Okay. 2 beads. Nut of Devi Durga. It will come on one side only. Okay, okay. Those who have done, they will wait for us. Some students are very quick. But I will suggest take your own time and make it very neat. Okay. Each and every step you will be making neat. Don't forget to show this nut. Okay, this is very important. And the face, shape of face. Carefully. Neck, necklace. Okay, see, and the magic has happened, and this magic has made my work so easy, so manageable, and so beautiful. Now it has taken shape completely. Don't forget to show long hair of Devi Durga. And this is the magic of mirror art. Okay, this complete art is in front of you. Okay. Yes. I will be making this line, and wherever you feel that some lines are going, like this line is going quite straight, it's slightly curved. I will just do this accordingly. Okay. Yes. This is drawing of Devi Durga. Please show if your magic and your work is done. Finish it first. I can see all are doing. You finish it. This middle line of nose, I will erase. Okay, no need of this. This complete middle line not required. Okay, you can erase that. This was just for guidance. Okay, and if you find some competitions going on here and there, be part of that, and you can try this technique. It will not make your work beautiful, but easy to handle at the same time. Finish, and I would just want to have a look how the work is going on. Yes, those who have done, have you done? Please show, lift up your files. Those who have done. Yeah, it's a time consuming technique, so I will not force you to be quick. Go slow, come little close, Navneet. Huh. Little close, I'm not able to see you. Very good. And after this, Navneet, you will switch on to big file, okay? 3 size file. Come finish this book, and after that, you will be purchasing bigger one. Wow, very good. Finalize the lines, Naisha. Make these lines dark now, okay? Magic has happened. Now you're supposed to make these lines. Anusha Agrawal. Wow. Yes, show me your work. Very good. It's beautiful. Yes, yes. See? In previous batch, we did it. Yeah, very good. Very good. Finish it. Take your own time. No need to hurry. I will not ask you to hurry, okay? Take your own time. Do it. Do with lots of focus and care. Very good. Finalize it, Risha. And finalize. Make the lines dark now. Okay, after getting impression, you're supposed to make these lines dark. Very good. Very beautiful. Amazing. बहुत अच्छा बना है. Very good. Really feel proud for you. ये है श्रेयांक. हाँ श्रेयांक, आपको लिप्स इसके ठीक करने हैं. देवी दुर्गा के लिप्स ठीक कीजिए बेटा. इरेज करके और थोड़ा छोटा कीजिए. ठीक है. See, the method is, you will not make them very broad. See, how to make, you see, this is middle line, take a point, V, join. Take a line, join. And don't make them very broad, okay? Erase them and correct them. Very good. Just all have done wonderful work. Shabash, very good. Excellent. Few students have done such lovely work. Excellent. Nose. Saidi, Saidi, check the shape of nose. Your nose is going slanting now. See, your nose will come straight this ways and impression both the side. After getting impression, if you feel that my nose is getting disturbed, so without, you erase and make it clean, okay? Suppose if you feel that nose is slightly tilted or this side, that side, so you can just do it accordingly. So do this correction, very good. Rest all have done it nicely. Tanish, Tanish, you can make it slightly narrow. ठीक है, nose को उतना broad नहीं बनाओ, थोड़ा narrow कर दो बस. And show this nostrils on both sides. Rest everything is amazing, good. और बहुत सारे बच्चों ने इतना गजब का काम किया है. Lovely. Beautiful. And see, you will not join. Here, see, one mistake many students have done. You will not join your eyebrows here. These are separate. Okay, these are separate. You will not join your lines. Your eyebrows are going from this middle line, from this line. Okay, yes. So please do this correction. And after this, it's time to pick up our sketch pen and outline. Okay, and many students have done amazing work. Okay, and in many means nose is little broad and this kind of mistakes. So please do, and please go through revision. Please go through revision. Now I will pick up my sketch pen and I will start giving outlines. And never start your outlines with face. Always start your outlines with jewelry. And next time, don't forget, you will be keeping your earbud ready, because the whole decoration we are going to do with earbuds. Okay, yes. This way, you will be moving your sketch pen. And always start your outlines with extra things. Don't start your outline directly with your face. Okay, warm up. Like we does warm up exercises now. When we exercise, so same ways, when you move sketch pen now, start with neck, with dress, and finally face. When you feel that, yeah, now the lines are coming stable. You will be coming here, you will be coming here. This way, it will be done. And with earbuds, we will be making it more detailed. Okay, so very carefully, let's move our sketch pen over this design, those who have completed. Okay, please check your nose. If you feel that after taking impression, your nose is not looking good, you erase and make it without impression. Okay, just do the correction. You are supposed to see, especially face. If you feel that after taking impression, this nose is not going correct, you can just erase and do its correction. Okay. Yeah, those who are having another classes, they can leave the class. Okay, don't worry, you are going to get recording. And students, if you feel that my nose is not going correct, I want guidance again, don't forget, you will be getting recording of class very soon. Okay, we are working on system so that you can get class within a small, short time span, and it will help you getting practice. If you feel that, no, my nose, I need to check, correction is required. So you can go through recording and do that correction and then give outlines. Okay. The students who are not satisfied with their face of Devi Durga and her lips and nose, so they can go through recording, do correction, and afterwards you give outlines in face. And this face drawing is done. Okay. And next time I will be sharing stories of Devi Durga, the birth of Devi Durga, how she handled all devils, how much efforts, what presence of mind, what wisdom, everything. Okay. So this outline is your homework, students. Okay. Those who are left without, they will be giving outlines in homework. Carefully, you will be moving over. Okay. See this complete dress, jewelry, necklace, everything is done. Now I will step on to face. See, the shape is of nose is straight down. It's two parallel lines. Okay. So you're not supposed to worry any special kind of shape I have given. These are just two parallel lines. I completed this third eye also. Okay. And one side, don't forget to show. Don't forget to show nose ring on one side. Okay. I will turn my paper according to my comfort. Yes. So see, with lots of care and attention, today you finish your homework also in class. Okay. Otherwise, this outline was your homework. But now we will start directly with colors. Okay. And we are going to use, yes. And this ways, Devi Durga's drawing is done. Okay. And we not only learn drawing of Devi Durga, but at the same time we learn how to mirror image along with the revision of how to draw face. Okay. We took 3 points to divide the face in 3 portions, Middle part we use for making nose. है ना? So this or these all things you're supposed to keep in mind, and I'm again knocking you. If you're not satisfied with face of Devi Durga, don't give outline right now. Go through recording and then you try. Very good. Excellent. Excellent work. Okay, very good work you all are doing. And the only words I have for you is, I'm really proud of you, my soldier batch. Okay, so next class is going to be very interesting. We will be decorating it along with stories and all. So, and time is also up. It's 7:50. It's time to wind up. I just want to have a look before winding up. Those who have completed or whatever part they have done, they can lift up and show. Okay? Yes, and nose is very simple, beautiful, very good. Very good. See, nose is very simple. These are two straight lines coming downwards. I can see many students have made lovely designs in mukut and jewelry. Yes. ये है. See, if you feel that, see this broad, this shoulder line will not go away from this. You will not make it this much big, okay? If it is this much big, it means it is wrong. Don't make it very big, okay? Rest, everything is fine. Good efforts, very good efforts. And after completing, it will come out beautifully, very nice. Okay, and those who have not given outlines today, they will give outlines in homework. Be ready with your outlines, and next class we will be completing it. Okay, very well done. Excellent. Yeah, very good. Hansika, I've seen your eyes. It's good. And you can WhatsApp me also. So I will check it personally. So with this, I will be winding up my class with lots of blessings. And students, weather is changing a lot. So please take care. And no ice creams, no cold water, no cold drinks. Take care of your health. Eat healthy, keep healthy. With lots of blessings. Bye-bye. May God bless you.